go. Yeah. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet.
Getting to Old Souk Dubai is super easy. You have fun options. Fun option one is Green Line and get off to Al Fahadi metro station. From there, it's about a 10 minutes walk to the souk. Option two is my favorite, the Abra. For just 1 dirham, you can take this traditional wooden boat across the creek from Dera to Burj Pudavai. It's the most authentic way to ride. Option three is for taxi. You can drive or take a taxi straight to the entrance. But parking can get busy, especially at evening.
Never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes.